Welcome to the lesson. Classes in session. Hey guys, welcome back to SEO College. If you're new to the channel, we talk about how to use the Money Robot tool to drive traffic, make more sales, make more money with the Money Robot tool. This is a hyper accelerated, automated backlinking tool that helps you drive more traffic without having to spend money on ads. However, I've been spending money on ads as well, so I have a combination of doing Google Ads and also doing the Money Robot tool. If you want to generate more money and make more sales, you can book a call with me in the link in the descriptions below, also in the comments, and I can book a free strategy session with me to see where we can help you and to see if I can actually help you build a strategy. With that said, let's jump into our video and build a campaign with the Money Robot tool. And I just want to show you right here that I am actually building a fresh campaign with my robot here. I actually have some really good success coming out of the Money Robot tool. As you can see, I actually have some campaigns that are fresh and they're running at the moment. I'm going to create a new campaign here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a campaign that actually gets you more traffic and gets you more sales. So first and foremost is we want to start a campaign out here with understanding these fundamentals right here. So right here you add your money site. So you could add one or more money sites right here, okay? And then you're going to add one or more keywords right here, okay, in this box right here. And then in this article box, you don't really need to worry about this. You don't have to worry too much about the anchor text or overcomplicate it, because this right here actually creates unique articles that are going to be posted in thousands and thousands, right? So there's going to be tons and tons of variants of your articles based on the keywords that you put right here. So what you really need to focus on is the diagram psychology, right? This is the one thing that you have to understand in order to actually generate the right traffic. Now, I have quite a lot of diagrams. There's a lot of diagrams that we do have in our training program. And the training program is not available anymore to the public. However, if you jump on a call with me, I will give you a free strategy session. And if you are eligible for our program, we'll see where I can help you out. But right now it's not really available to the public because I want to keep it only for our clients. But I want to show you some of the diagrams here that are really helping us make a ton of money right now, millions of dollars. In fact, for some of our clients are making upwards of $200,000 per day, not per month, not per year, per day. So I want to show you the one diagram that's actually crazy right now. And I'm going to use this on one of our articles here. So for an example, I'm going to use this for 3 of our articles actually. So I'm going to jump into my brand new website that I just created a couple days ago. And in the last video I showed you that it's already generating some passive income in AdSense revenue, which is going to go upwards of thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you exactly how to actually generate a ton of money with ads. So you can see right here, we're already starting to get traffic. We have some of our keywords that are ranking. You can see where our traffic is coming from. United States, mostly France. I'm actually located in Canada, but most of our traffic is coming from the western part of the world. So if you're worried about the traffic coming from international parts of the world, as you can see right here in proof, we have traffic that's coming in from the western side of the world. So you know that we're getting quality traffic from the Money Robot tool. So what I want to do is I actually want to go into my website right here. It's fully automated, created with ChatGPT 3. So I'm actually not even creating these articles. They are automatically being created on passive autopilot. All I need to do is copy the URL right here. Okay, so I copy the URL, and then I'm going to jump back into the Money Robot tool. So it's belly fat burning. Okay, belly fat burning is going to be our keyword. So what I do is I paste the URL right there, and I'm going to take that keyword there. Okay, so I'm going to take the keyword. You'll see how easy this is. So I take the keyword right here, and I paste the keyword right here. Okay, and I will make sure that that keyword is there. Belly fat. Okay, so our keyword is belly fat burning. So I'm gonna just copy that and watch how intelligent the keyword research tool is right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the keyword right there and I'm gonna click search. So you can see all of the keywords that are instantly created, okay guys? So you see that there's a ton of keywords that are created right there. What I do is I will just literally just copy that, and then I will copy it to my clipboard. I'll jump back into my campaign. Okay, so I'll jump back into my campaign right there, and then I will spin the article. So now that we have all of our keywords here, all I have to do is click this link that says create unique articles using Money Robot Article Builder. That's why I don't really worry too much about the anchor text, because I know there's going to be hundreds of variants of this created, and therefore I don't really have to worry too much about the anchor text. So the next thing I want to do is I want to spread this submission over the duration of 10 days. It's not too much, it's not 20 days, it's just in the sweet spot, in the sweet ballpark of having 10 days. Sometimes I like to do 5 days, but 10 days is a good duration. That way, you know, it's submitted to higher quality articles over time. So basically, this article is spun. If you take quite a close look here, there's different variants of each word, and each word is going to be different for each of these articles right here, guys. So this article is going to be submitted to so many different, I'm just gonna go into my diagram editor here so you can, you know, take a look at this right here. So I'm going to show you this diagram right here, SEO Power Ranker. Feel free to steal this diagram if you want. The diagram ID is right there. Okay, so if you look right here, we have Web 2.0 blogs, and then we have a variety of social bookmarking blogs that are all pointing back to our money site. The reason why this is super powerful is because the amount of Web 2.0 blogs that are going to be driving the power over to this one 2.0 blog, which is driving the power back to our money site. But we're only focused on Web 2.0 in social bookmarking for the specific campaign right here. And feel free to steal the diagram right here. It's 6BFD33FZH. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into this, and we're gonna start the campaign. And boom, just like that, the campaign is created. So I'm going to wait a duration of 10 days for this. It's going to be submitted over a bunch of articles, and I'll just show you in my past ones right here what's going on. So if I double click on this, you'll see all the different places it's being shared to. Okay, so you see right here there's different emails and passwords and users that are being that are submitting our website to. So you know that it's being submitted to a variety of different profiles. So right here you see that these two profiles right here are creating it. Okay, so you know that it's working. And then if I click on this right here, you see that all of these articles right here are submitting our articles. Right? So I see that all of these articles right here, you can see that there's a lot of variety of these articles are being submitted. Okay, and I'm just gonna show you one last thing before we log out of this. So right here, if I wanted to actually take a look and see what's going on with these articles, you can just jump into one of these right here, and I'll show you what a submission looks like. So right here, this is like one of the submissions that are being presented, and as you can see, our link right here back to my website is right there. Okay, so you can see that thousands of these are being created, and it's linking back to my website. Now, if I have readers on each of these blogs going back to my website, most of these submissions are pretty good quality actually. You would think that they're not good quality, but you can see right here, if I even click on this one right here and I go to this blog right here. Let's go to this blog. And you can see that these are high quality blogs. These are pretty high quality blogs that are all pointing back to my website. Okay. So if you want to learn more about how to utilize the Money Robot for your website or your e-commerce, or to make more sales online, if you're trying to do, website marketing, or if you are trying to do video marketing, you can book a free session with me and we'll go over your strategy together. And if you're a right fit for our program, then we'll see if I can bring you on as a client. But that's not for everybody. So click the link below, book a call with me, and also make sure to like and subscribe to the video. With that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you got some value from this video. And thanks again for watching. Take care, guys.